Hi all. In today's lecture, we are going to talk about the string functions in C. So to start with, we will see what is a string. A string is a sequence of characters and strings are used for storing, or we can say that strings are used for storing text or characters. And what is this particular strings? Strings can be quoted into in double quotes and it is a string of characters. So unlike any other programming languages, C does not have a string type to easily create string variables. But instead, we have to use the char type and create an array of characters to make a string in C. So for example, if you see this particular example where the greetings variable, which is of the type array, can store a sequence of characters, which is a string. So there are few functions which are stored in the standard library function, which is string.h, where you can find few string manipulation functions. So the four different functions at which we are going to see in this particular lecture are strcmp, strcat, strcpy, and strlen. We will see one by one with an example. So strcmp function in C programming language is used to compare two different strings. So we will see with an example. So here, if you see in this particular example, we are going to compare two strings. So in order to compare two strings, the user has to enter the two strings one by one. And for that, we declare the two strings str1 and str2 of character array type. So printf enter the first string and scanf str1. And then you also enter the second string using the scanf function str2. So see the usage here. We are going to compare two strings, that is the entered string str1 and str2. We are going to see if both of them are equal. So if strcmp of string 1 comma string 2 is 0, each and every character is equivalent to the numeric value 0, then we print that both the strings are equal. Else, any of the characters in both of these two strings are different, then it will print it as strings are unequal. Next, we will see about the function strcat. This strcat function is used for string concatenation in C programming language. It means that we can concatenate two strings together. So in this particular example, if we see, we have declared str1 variable as a string and str2 variable as another string. So see the usage here. So using strcat of str1 comma str2, we try to concatenate both of these two strings. So the output will be like the concatenation of both these two strings, that is www.cprogrammingexpert.com. So that will be the output after you concatenate both of these two strings. Next, we are going to see about another function, that is strcpy, which is used to copy a string from a source location to another location to a destination location. And we are also going to provide a null character to terminate the string. So if you see the usage of this string copy function in this particular example, we have two variables A and B, which can hold strings. So we are going to enter a string in the variable A, and now we are going to copy whatever string is entered in A into the destination variable B, and then print the variable B. Say for example, if we are going to have in A, the user is entering the string as hello, then whatever is entered in A, that will be copied into B, and when we are trying to print B, then the output will be hello. So that's the usage of strcpy function in C programming. The last function which we are going to see is strlen function, which is used to calculate the length of the string. It means that it will count the total number of strings present in the string, which includes everything, like for example, which includes alphabets, numbers, and all special characters, including blank spaces. So with one example, we can find out what it is. So here we are going to declare a variable A, which is of character array. We are going to enter a string. And if we wanted to find, for an example, the length of hello, which is going to be stored in the variable A, then we can use strlen of A. If A stores hello, then the it will return the length of hello as 5. So in this particular lecture, we have seen the 4 different string functions and their simple usages with the help of simple programs. Thank you for watching this lecture.